Looking for a hassle-free way to connect your aftermarket radio to your vehicle's factory antenna? This antenna-to-radio adapter cable is designed specifically for 2002 and newer Chrysler, Dodge, Ford, and Jeep models with snap-lock factory antennas. It's the simple solution to get your audio system up and running without any guesswork. I recently installed this adapter in my 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT, and it fit perfectly right out of the box. Installation was straightforward, no special tools or complicated steps needed. The secure snap lock design ensures a snug connection, so you won't have to worry about signal loss or static interference. This adapter also works flawlessly with other vehicles, like the 2004 Jeep Wrangler. Owners report the same seamless fit and reliable performance, making it a trusted choice for those upgrading their factory radios. Even some 2007 Ford Focus drivers found this adapter fits where others didn't, proving its versatility across multiple models. What you get is a dependable, no-fuss adapter that bridges the gap between your factory antenna and your new aftermarket radio. That means clearer reception and uninterrupted listening, whether you're cruising through the city or on a long road trip. It's a small upgrade that makes a noticeable difference. If you've struggled with incompatible adapters or confusing setups, this cable is worth a look. It's designed to match factory specifications, so you avoid the trial and error that can come with aftermarket installations. Plus, it's a cost-effective way to get your sound system working exactly as it should. Ready to simplify your radio upgrade? This antenna adapter cable fits a wide range of 2002-up Chrysler, Dodge, Ford, and Jeep vehicles, making it a smart pick if you want reliable compatibility and easy installation. Try it when you're ready to experience clear, uninterrupted radio signals without the hassle. Don't settle for adapters that don't fit or cause signal issues. This cable is backed by positive reviews from drivers who've tested it in their own vehicles and found it works like a charm. Whether you're replacing a worn-out adapter or installing a new radio, this product delivers what you need without surprises. Upgrade your vehicle's audio connection today with this antenna-to-radio adapter cable. It's the straightforward, dependable link between your factory antenna and aftermarket radio, helping you enjoy your favorite stations with crystal clear sound. If that's you, this adapter is definitely worth considering.